Lessonbank is the world's first video archive of classroom instruction, offering students a complete video history of all their past classes in a searchable, YouTube-style web app. Lessonbank is powered by an autonomous camera system that syncs with the school's bell schedule to capture and archive classroom videos. These videos give students a second chance to re-watch missed classes while giving parents visibility into the classroom instructional process for the first time ever.
Lessonbank offers a variety of login methods for parents and guardians to use. Head to the URL bar and type in parent.lessonbank.org. There are 3 major ways to sign in: social login, email address, and phone number. Social logins are available for Google, Facebook, and Microsoft. Please note that the email address you use for these services must match the email address that school has on file for you. For each of the social login methods, simply click on the respective third party and follow the normal sign-in flow for these applications. Upon successful login, the third parties will relay your authentication to Lessonbank and log you in, provided that the email address matches the data from the school. For login via email address, please click on the Register Here at the bottom of the login page. Follow the instructions to set up your email address and password combination. Please note that Lessonbank does not store these credentials, and all password resets will need to be done via Forget Password link on the email login page. After you have registered an email address, you can then select Sign in with email. Enter the email address and password that was registered, and then select Sign in. If you have forgotten your password, please select Forget Password, click here. Finally, you can also log in with a one-time password, or OTP, via a text message on your mobile phone. Please note, the mobile phone number must match the number on file with your school. Once you have entered the correct verification code, you will be able to log in to Lessonbank. Selecting a class in the Lessonbank parent portal. Once you are signed in, you can first select one of your children and then select from either View Classes or View Assignments. Let's select the View Classes button. The first thing you will notice is that each course is separated horizontally. As you scroll down, you can view all of that child's courses. Let's select the View More button on the right-hand side of one of those courses. After you have selected the View More button, you will be able to view all of the class recordings from that course. They are captioned with a brief class description, teacher's name, and were recorded. Let's select one of those class videos. Watch a class recording in the Lessonbank parent portal. During the video, you can pause, play, adjust the volume, skim through the video, and scale the video to full screen. On the right-hand side, you will see the 6 most recent videos from that course for easy access. Below each class video, you will be able to view comments and questions from the students and the teacher. View an assignment in the Lessonbank parent portal. In the View Assignments page, you can also view your child's assignments through the Lessonbank parent portal. After selecting one of your children, select View Assignments. For each assignment, there will be labels such as the child's name, course, date, and due date. In the View Assignments page, you will be able to view late assignments in red, upcoming assignments in blue, and completed assignments in green. Below that is a link to the Google Classroom assignment. On the bottom right of each assignment, you will be able to view the point-valued grade of that specific assignment.